I'm a medical doctor, and my specialty is radiology, and I'm actually a neuroradiologist. So when I was searching for someone that understood scoliosis and understood the exercises for corrective therapy, I was actually trying to look for someone that really understood the neurophysiology behind it. And I came across some of your videos online, and I was quite impressed. It's hard to impress a neuroradiologist, I would say, nonetheless. And I was very impressed with the medical knowledge, the way that you were able to accommodate different types of scoliosis curvature, and integrate both pathophysiology in it, plus anatomy, and integrate all of those features in a way that people are able to adequately exercise to correct or to decrease pain to their spine.
What has been your experience of using the exercises during the 12 sessions?
They've been fantastic. I'm a mother of 4 kids. I work full time, and I think that, Ed, you have a very good way of simplifying things, and making things conducive to your workspace and to your daily life environment.
Yeah, we had some challenges with your work schedule and your family life and
I
bringing
know.
those together.
Those are my fault.
But it's been fun, though. It's been fun. And also, for people who might be watching this, we managed to turn Neda's workspace into her little gym as well.
Yeah. I'm very fortunate.
What's been a surprise physical change or physical benefit that you've noticed during the course?
So I'm in my early 40s, and I haven't done essentially anything to help my scoliosis. And my curvature is moderate, I would say. And I was starting to get difficulty breathing. Honestly, the deep inspirations where my curve goes into my spine and my thoracic area, it was actually going into my lungs. And I was having a hard time having deep inspirations. Since I started your course and I've been compliant with the majority of the exercises, I have felt that very important element in my daily life has vanished. I've noticed a lot of people telling me that my scoliosis in the back of when they stand behind me, my shoulder blades are actually a lot more equal. I was walking around kind of like this because the scoliosis was impacting me a lot, and now my two scapula, physically and mentally, I have gotten much better after your course.
Excellent. Would you recommend this course to other people with scoliosis?
Absolutely.
Well, Neda, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure working with you. And I'm also looking forward to our continued collaboration with our app, where we can monitor your progress and give you specific exercises to complete on certain days of the week. So it's going to be fun.
Likewise. Thank you so much.